Hey guys, so this is just a quick tutorial for iMovie changing how your piece looks. We've been up in this menu before, but we've been using it for cropping. So remember, cropping is just zooming in or cutting out things in your piece. So for instance, if I crop here, you won't see the rest of that shot with Mr. Ramirez. Or I can put it back and you can see all of Mr. Ramirez's shot now. So that's where we've gone before. We've got some other options here that we haven't explored yet. First thing is filtering. Over here, if you press the icon with that's three circles, you can change the look of a piece. So you can already see as a highlight, it shows you what it looks like. And once you choose one, it should then just be implemented, and that should stick. You can undo it by clicking on that filter again and just picking none. If you want something a little bit more specific, these are all just options. You might want something that's not on here. You can try mixing your own. And you can do that with the paint palette brush over here, up here at the top. And here you can change how bright or how dark something is. And you can choose and press any of the dots to change things around, and each of them changes the brightness or darkness in various different ways. Second, you can intensify or unintensify the colors in the picture with a rainbow slider. Notice how if I push this towards the end, it turns completely black and white. If I push it towards the other end, it gets really brightly colored. So however bright or however black and white you want the picture, or how pale you want the picture, is where you put it in the slider. For Inception, I'd probably put it a little bit on the side because it's not a very colorful movie. Last but not least, you can change the warmth or the coolness of the picture. So notice I move to the orange side, it gets much more red and orange. If I move to the blue side, it gets much more blue and green. And you can change the overall tone of the picture simply in that way. Okay, so that is that quick tutorial. Good luck making your Inception style film.